The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a groundbreaking action camera that redefines the boundaries of capturing life's adventures. With its impressive array of features and capabilities, this camera has emerged as a top contender in the market, appealing to both enthusiasts and professionals. In this in-depth exploration, we'll delve into the key aspects that make the Osmo Action 5 Pro a game-changer in the world of action camera. From its rugged design and dual-screen setup, to its exceptional image quality and advanced stabilization features, every aspect of this camera has been meticulously crafted to deliver unparalleled performance. Whether you're a thrill seeker, content creator, or professional filmmaker, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is poised to exceed your expectations and take your creative endeavors to new heights. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this revolutionary action camera and discover why it's the ultimate tool for capturing life's most epic moment. Rugged design and dual-screen setup. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro's compact and rugged design makes it an ideal companion for capturing footage in the most demanding environments. Measuring just insert dimensions, this action camera is built to withstand the rigors of extreme temperatures, humidity, and physical stress. The durable construction ensures that it can keep up with your adventures, whether you're hiking, biking, or surfing. The dual-screen setup is a masterstroke, providing an intuitive interface that simplifies operation. The 1.4-inch front screen allows for effortless vlogging and framing, while the 2.25-inch rear screen offers a clear view of your footage. This thoughtful design enables seamless switching between modes, making it easy to capture stunning footage on the go. With its ergonomic design and user-friendly interface, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is the perfect tool for content creators and adventurers who demand reliability and ease of use. Exceptional image quality. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro boasts an impressive 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, expertly paired with an f2.8 aperture and an expansive 155 degrees field of view. This potent combination enables the capture of breathtaking 4K resolution footage at a smooth 60 frames per second, ensuring crisp and detailed video. Moreover, the camera's slow-motion capabilities are equally impressive. The ability to record at 120 frames per second in full HD. This allows for dramatic and immersive footage, perfect for accentuating key moments in your adventures. The Osmo Action 5 Pro's imaging capabilities are further enhanced by its ability to handle challenging lighting conditions, making it an ideal choice for capturing high-quality footage in a variety of environments. Whether you're seeking to document your travels or create engaging content, this camera's imaging prowess is sure to impress. Enhanced battery life and performance. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro takes a significant leap forward in performance and battery life, boasting a substantial 50% increase in battery capacity compared to its predecessor. This upgrade enables an impressive up to 4 hours of uninterrupted shooting, allowing you to capture more footage without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the camera's faster processor ensures swift responsiveness, making it ideal for demanding applications like high frame rate recording and real-time preview. Furthermore, the integration of Wi-Fi 6 technology facilitates lightning-fast data transfer, enabling seamless connectivity and convenient file sharing. This means you can quickly offload your footage and share your creations with the world, making the Osmo Action 5 Pro an excellent choice for content creators and professionals who require efficient workflows. With its enhanced performance and extended battery life, this camera is poised to keep up with your most ambitious project. Advanced stabilization and video features. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro revolutionizes footage capture with its cutting-edge Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, ensuring silky smooth video even in turbulent conditions. Additionally, the 360-degree horizon steady feature maintains a level horizon, eliminating unwanted tilts and rolls. The integration of DJI Mic 2 technology further enhances audio quality, making this camera a powerhouse for capturing professional-grade footage. The user experience is equally impressive, with an intuitive interface, voice commands, and seamless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The DJI Mimo app enables remote control and editing, allowing for effortless tweaking of settings and instant sharing of creations. This comprehensive suite of features empowers users to focus on capturing life's moments, rather than navigating complex settings. With its unparalleled stabilization, seamless connectivity, and user-friendly design, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is the ultimate tool for content creators and adventurers seeking high-quality footage with minimal fuss. Additional features: precision tracking, a waterproof external microphone option, and more make the Osmo Action 5 Pro a well-rounded action camera that excels in various scenarios. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is an exceptional action camera that offers a perfect blend of design, image quality, battery life, and features. If you're in the market for a reliable and high-performance action camera, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is worth considering.